Metaverse, fun, immersive, rapidly growing sector. Today we're going to look at the top 5 Metaverse tokens, maybe some of the best 5 that you can buy at the end of this year leading into 2023 with the most upside potential, especially to hold by the next crypto bull run. Today we can see Bitcoin is chilling at 16.5k and Ethereum is at $1,250. Of course, following the FTX disaster, things have not looked so good for crypto, but we always get recoveries, just like when we get pumps, we get dumps. When we get slumps, we finally get those humps. So what's going on? I mean, this is all the Metaverse tokens basically ranked in terms of their market capitalization. So overall, a $9 billion valuation, which is quite significant, to be fair. It's a large chunk of the overall cryptocurrency market valuation. And there are some real market gems here. So we're going to look at some today. And, the Metaverse is becoming more popular and, big publishers like Forbes and massive analytical sites, as well as sort of traders and publishers understand that, maybe by 2030, we can see that the Metaverse sector will have a valuation of 1.5 trillion by 2030. Now that's across the global economy. That's not just looking at crypto, that's also commercial, gaming, and everything else on the side. But if the Metaverse grows more and more, we're going to see, of course, a lot of Metaverse tokens also grow more and more as well as we see more global adoption around them. So let's crack on. The first one is going to be RoboERA. This is currently in pre-sale. This is a really cool mystical metaverse where you play as a robot in a planet rebuilding world. We can see they've already got a lot of exposure on many different news sites, some of the flagship sites as well, and they're already fully audited and KYC'd by Coin Sniper, which means it is effectively quite a safe investment, right? In terms of the fact that it's not going to get rug pulled. So this can be purchased really easily with the MetaMask. It's an ERC20 token with no taxation. It also has a very low supply, so we can actually see this effectively maybe even pump over $1 by the time it launches or into the next bull market. So RoboERA, building a sandbox like planet rebuilding metaverse, you will become a robot managing your own land and participate in the creation of the world. Very cool. Here's the roadmap as well. We can see long-term Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, lots of different things are going on. Later this year, we've got the private sale, which is happening now. Then we're going to see the Taro token list in exchanges. And then later next year in Q1 or Q2, it will start going live. So this is quite a small one. It's only got like a $7 million hard cap, so it will sell quite soon. But here it is, 1.8 billion total supply, and I think it's really cool. Here is the team, fully docs as well, and it links through to their LinkedIn. So very mystical, immersive, colorful, fun game that you can build, play, and it's also a play to earn crypto where you can earn NFTs, you can build, you can gather resources, you can construct, you can interact with other players, you can explore, you can look at different biomes and lands. You've got these cool robots that you can play as you see right here on the left hand side, and you've also got some very nice robots just here. So if you like Metaverse tokens, if you like pre-sales, if you like coins that have potential to do 10 to 100x, have a look down below at the RoboERA pre-sale, and there's also 4 more you can check out as well, 4 other pre-sales. So definitely a lot of cool things going on with the RoboERA. I do like this coin, and you see, your robot is your companion. He will help you do loads of cool things. You've got a RoboERA editor as well. You can create planets. I mean, imagine that. Here's the roadmap. Do your own research. I thoroughly recommend you to do so. And here we can see the total tokenomics and the distribution. So 15% of tokens is in the pre-sale, which is roughly 270 million of the 1.8 billion. So always do your own research, check out the white paper and have a look at everything. It's a very interesting ecosystem, and I like the mission statement and the vision behind this one. Coin number 2 is going to be Seek VR, rank 190, $79 million market cap. So $79 million market cap, of course, it means that we could effectively see it come up again to 750 million, which would mean about a 10x from current price level. Very possible that it does do it, and in my opinion, it's looking quite undervalued at the moment when zooming out on the price chart. So 3 months, it's been in a core downtrend. It doesn't look too amazing, but it can only go down for so long, right? Here is Seek. Welcome to the Seek VR Metaverse, DeFi for music, artists, sports, and content creators. Very colorful, vibrant, loads of world-class partners. It does look really, really cool. In my opinion, RoboERA is probably going to have much more upside potential because it has not yet launched, has not hit exchanges. And I suppose the other important thing to consider is that it has not hit all of the emotional stages of a market cycle. It's not gone through to euphoria. So this is very cool, but I think RoboERA could be a better one in my opinion. We've got Zalika. This is a real OG. I like this one. Rank 100, $277 million market cap. Now, the previous bull market, we saw Zalika come up to 2.65 billion. This is really trending. It was pumping hard. So it's looking quite undervalued at the moment, in my honest opinion. So maybe it's a safe one to start dollar cost averaging into for the next bull run. Explore the world's first sharding-based blockchain. So it's very, very nice. I love the immersivity. You've got DeFi, you've got NFTs, you've got governance, you've got dApps. I mean, what wouldn't you want? Build safer dApps using Scylla. This is gorgeous, a gorgeous website, lovely front-end SEO. It looks like it's being developed by some real masterminds. And don't forget, they have the Metapolis, which is a sneak peek in to their metaverse world. The next one is Engine, coin number 4. Also a really, really cool token, ranked 89, $309 million market cap. We can see the all-time high for the market cap back in the bull run was roughly, if I can get there, I could probably just make it full screen, was about 3.77 billion. So by 2030, we're hoping to recover above and beyond that, maybe to even 10 billion. Of course, this one is really, really cool as well. Engine is a project of Engine, a company that provides an ecosystem of interconnected blockchain-based gaming products. So let's have a look at it. What is it? And here it is. Oh, that's so bright. Wow. Yeah, so you've got NFTs, you've got integrations, you've got loads of different products like the wallet, the affinity, the platform, the marketplace, and you've got loads of different solutions too. Engine is a really cool coin. Wow, this is bright. I'm gonna get off this one in a minute. And yeah, I think it's worth looking at. Research it, look at the ecosystem, check it out. Make sure you look at their white paper too, and look at all the historical data about what's happening, and look at the future updates too. We can see here are some really, really cool projects that they're working with. Very, very nice games. Haven't actually looked at them myself, but I imagine they're very immersive, addicting, and fun. The last one is going to be Stacks, STX, $287 million market capitalization at rank 94. Historically, we can see the market capital was up to 3.73 billion, so another huge one. These metaverse tokens correct hard, but then they have enough time to accumulate. By the time we are in the next crypto bull run, you'd imagine to see a surge. I mean, once upon a time, this thing had like, what, $20 million market cap, and then it went all the way up to 3.7 billion. Imagine being an early investor of this particular token. And that is why we are looking at pre-sales, because it allows you to be an early investor, get in whilst the market capital is between 10 and 20 million, and it gives you the opportunity or the chance to be exposed to an opportunity that might, just might, raise all the way to 1 billion plus. It could absolutely happen, and that's the crazy thing about crypto. So have a look at RoboERA. Of course, check out all the other tokens too. They're really, really cool. And yeah, this was the Stacks, by the way, guys. A nice website here to unleash Bitcoin's full potential. And there's loads of development guides and stuff. In my opinion, all great coins. RoboERA, if you're looking to potentially flip $100 into 1,000, there's a good chance you could do it here. 1,000 to 10,000 and so on. Remember the last 2 pre-sales we looked at on this channel in the Discord. You should get into that too, by the way. Check it out down below. They did a 20x on Tamadoge, and Battle Infinity did a 7.5x. Just want to say huge thanks to all the continuous support from subscribers, patrons, and the newcomers here. Do subscribe to the channel, as I will automatically enroll you to the chance to win $1,000 in this giveaway. Goodbye for now, and take care.